Hi everyone. Today we're going to be talking about Anubias Nana. This plant is an aquatic plant. It lives underwater for aquariums, or you can keep one in your collection if you'd like. Okay, let's take this out. If I can get it out of there. This is what it looks like. Got lots of roots. So if you have it in your aquarium or in a bigger jar or something, you can attach it to a log or driftwood, a little piece of wood. It will wrap itself around that. I would just tie it around. Some people glue them on there. This plant is best under low to moderate light. Excessive light can cause algae growth on its leaves. Doesn't require much care. It's a very hardy plant. This aquatic plant is a slow grower. Anubias plants can be attached to rocks, driftwood, or decorations in your aquarium. So you can attach it to your decorations in there. I don't have this one in my aquarium yet, but I'll probably get more. This plant does flower. The flowers are creamy white in colors similar to a calla lily. The flowers last a long time, often several months. And also, if you wanted to get 2 or 3 out of this plant right in here, let's see, you can cut like in between the plant here. Make sure you have roots on it, probably right about here. Just slice it down the middle and you can get 2 or 3 out of this little plant. I can cut it here also. They are slow growers. They have a pretty dark green color. They also have several other names, as a golden Anubias Nana also. This is more of a dark leaf color. I'll put it back in its water. These do look nice in your aquarium. And if you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section below, and I'll be glad to answer them for you. Bye-bye for now.